This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Engine oil and filter renewal. Operate the bonnet release lever located in the driver's footwell. Release the bonnet safety catch and raise the bonnet. Lift the engine cover from its mountings and remove it from the engine compartment. Firmly apply the handbrake and chock the rear wheels. Use a jack to raise the vehicle. Position axle stands, lower the vehicle onto the stands, then remove the jack. Do not remove the wheels. Note the locations of the undertray retaining screws. Remove the engine undertray screws, then lower the cover and remove it from underneath the vehicle. Position a drain container underneath the vehicle. Slacken the sump drain plug about half a turn, then remove the plug completely. Keep the drain plug pressed into the sump while unscrewing it by hand the last couple of turns. As the plug releases, move it away sharply so the stream of oil issuing from the sump runs into the container and not up your sleeve. Allow some time for the old oil to drain, noting that it may be necessary to reposition the container as the oil flow slows to a trickle. After all the oil has drained, wipe off the drain plug with a clean rag and fit a new sealing washer. Clean the area around the drain plug opening and refit the plug, then tighten it. Remove the drain container from under the vehicle. Place absorbent cloths around the oil filter housing to catch any spilt oil. Where necessary, unbolt the bracket and unclip the wiring loom from over the oil filter, or unclip the solenoid valve from above the filter. Use a 32mm socket to fully unscrew the cap from the top of the oil filter and remove it together with the filter element. Remove the old oil filter from the cap, then recover the large sealing ring from the cap and the small sealing rings from the centre rod. The new oil filter comes with large and small O-ring seals. Note that this shows one type of filter assembly. A filter assembly with only one small O-ring, or no small O-ring at all, may be encountered. Fit the 3 seals to the oil filter cap, then lubricate the O-ring seals with clean engine oil. Then slide the new filter into the cap and make sure the filter element is engaged with the cap and the correct way up, noting the word top on the filter for correct fitting. Remove the cloth, then refit to the filter housing and tighten it. Place the engine cover into the engine compartment and locate it on its mountings. Press it onto its mountings to secure it in place. Position the undertray in place, then refit the screws securely. Use a jack to raise the vehicle, remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground. Remove the jack. Then remove the chocks from the rear wheels. Unscrew the oil filler cap from the cylinder head cover. Then insert a funnel and fill the engine using the correct grade and type of oil. Pour in 2 litres of oil first, and then wait a few minutes for the oil to run to the sump, Pour in another 2 litres, then refit the oil filler cap. Press the ignition and start the vehicle. Start the engine and run it until it reaches normal operating temperature. Check for leaks around the oil filter cap and the sump drain plug. Note that there may be a few seconds delay before the oil pressure warning light goes out when the engine is started, as the oil circulates through the engine oil galleries and the new oil filter before the pressure builds up. Switch off the engine and wait a few minutes for the oil to settle in the sump once more. For an accurate reading, the engine should be at normal operating temperature, but switched off, and the car should be on level ground. Press the car button, then use the function selector knob and scroll through the menu to select oil level. And after 2 minutes, a graphic on the display will show the current oil level. If topping up is required, remove the engine oil filler cap, insert a funnel and top up the oil level. Then remove the funnel and refit the cap. Recheck the oil level using the MMI. Close the bonnet securely.